My name is Hector, the founder of DiaShot, an app that can transform the Mermaid script of system architecture flowcharts and some any kind of diagrams into the image and some other technical documentation formats. Here on the right left side panel, you can write our own Mermaid script, and my app provide privacy first, so you don't have to worry that I'll copy your, I'll see any of your script is private privacy, high privacy, and you can click on preview on the right panel to see the full resolution of the diagram, and also can download any format of image or files here in different resolution, 1x, 2x, 3x, and can easily export it with a different theme. You choose it, and then you can let me introduce some other feature that are here. You can see that history. It will save all of your diagrams generated and rendering with exact date and time. It also has a similar uh, let me just wait for a moment. I'll change to another diagram. Wait a moment. Here, that we can see the version comparison similar to the git diff command, and we can see it very clearly which part is being updated. And here we can also copy paste the GitHub link here to generate the architecture diagram of the repo. And in case you don't know, you are not familiar with the Mermaid script, you can also get the diagram image from somewhere, somebody, and you will return convert it back to the Mermaid script here. You would get the diagram being rendered here with the corresponding Mermaid script. Yeah, and in the magic button here, you can ask the AI to turn your prompt into the diagram. And keyboard shortcut here. Thanks for listening.